Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Forex market wrap. Going to highlight what we highlighted in the week ahead analysis and see how it played out and see what could be potentially happening next. So we expected a little bit of downside on the dollar this week, but that didn't happen. We had some strong CPI numbers and PPI numbers, which really helped boost the US dollar this week. However, looking at the weekly time frame here, price is still trading within last week's range here on Euro US dollar, which is showing us that there are still some buyers lying around and waiting for these low prices to come in before seeing a little bit of a bounce. And if price closes back like this, we'd have had 3 candlesticks in a row closing back within each other's range, which could be the driving factor for a move to the upside. For Euro US dollar, I think 118 is going to be key. If we stay above 118, we could trade higher. If we break below 118, it could be the sign that downside is to come. But this area here is going to be crucial in order to choose which direction price could be heading. Moving on to dollar yen. So we talked about dollar yen and the fact that we had this large breakout of this trend here. The market had been moving to the upside for quite some time now, and recently we saw a breakout of these previous structure lows around about 110.40. What we talked about was the fact that if price came up into this zone, we can start looking for short opportunities. Price did move down, did come back towards these previous structure lows in here, and it looks likely that the yen is starting to strengthen slightly across the board. If we just take a quick look here at the weekly time frame, nothing here to suggest that too much that buyers are coming back in, but what would be important going forward is if we could break these current weekly lows and see the continuation of the downtrend if the dollar was to weaken going into next week. Finally then, we talked about Aussie US dollar. We talked about the potential for the market to find some kind of support in and around here and maybe move to the upside. This was a reversal currency pair, so reversals are less likely than trend continuation opportunities, just because the trend direction usually dominates the market. However, again, we're kind of seeing similar things. Price hasn't really closed below last week's low, still trading within last week's range, and if price was to form a strong bullish move and break above maybe this 0.75 high, then I would expect some upside towards that 0.76 going into next week. So again, just looking at and highlighting that weekly time frame, still low ranging candlestick trading within last week's range, usually a good sign that some momentum shift is about to happen. So we need to keep our eyes open on this one. Thanks for watching the videos this week. If you did like them, leave this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, how did you trade this week? How was your trading performance? Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is updated. Thanks.